Hello everyone, welcome to Onrain Tech Corner, the corner of the internet where we talk about tech. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the iPhone SE. So here we have the iPhone SE2. Yeah, I got the 64 gig. I was hoping to get the 256, but they didn't have it in stock. So let's try and open it up. I'm going to try one hand here. Alright, there we go. That part's open. Oh yeah! Alright, what do we got here? Designed by Apple in California. Alright, so... Okay, so I guess it's just like an informational packet. Now let's take it all out. There we go. Ooh, we even get Apple stickers still. Awesome. Okay, here we have the pin for popping out the SIM card, which is on the side. Okay, so like health and safety and stuff like that. French. Ah, here we are. English. Welcome to the iPhone. Okay. Touch ID. Yeah, I actually liked this design because it brings back the Touch ID buttons. Oh boy, here we go. Oh yeah, I put the slip in. Nice. Okay, here comes the nice satisfying part of it. Ah yeah. Oh, we'll get through the other side too. That is so satisfying. Okay, there we go. Peel that off later. Yeah, I wound up getting the white one. They didn't have the product red in stock, which is, fine. I like the feel of it. It really feels like an older iPhone. So give me 1 second. I actually got my old iPhone 6 right here to compare. Wow. They are literally the same size. Oh, they actually might be a little thicker, but yeah. Wow. The similarities are ridiculous. Oh, I actually like that white though. Alright, so back to the new phone. Okay, so it looks like we got a wall adapter for the USB. I have like a dozen of these, so I don't really need it. Focus, there we go. So I don't really need these, but I like to keep them around. And the part I think I'm gonna hate: wireless earbuds. Now, never really liked the earbuds ever since they brought these designs in. Really like the older ones, but now they're the wireless, and $100 to replace? Really? Okay. And looks like we get Lightning USB cable. Looks like a decent length too. And what else do we get in here? And that's it. That was our unboxing of the iPhone SE2. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. And if you didn't like the video, well, that dislike button is right next to the like button. It's down there somewhere. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day, everybody.